Okay, so who's here who just came now? Dana? My question, there are two questions I'm starting my lesson with. The first thing, why do my body need nutrition? So Judy answered that we need good nutrition for proper health. And I added one thing that good health and to grow. Now the next question is, what other than nutrition my body needs? What is another factor that give me good health? Yes, Judy? Or yes, Dana? Other than eating, what is the next thing what keeps you healthy? It's a very simple answer. Yes? Don't you think so? Exercise?
Yeah.
Exercise that keeps you healthy. Okay. Identify the science that studies the way the body uses food. Nutrition is the science or study. The study of food, what the body needs, is actually called as nutrition. And nutrient is a substance in food. Nutrition is the study of food that my body needs. Nutrient is a substance that is present in the food that gives you energy. Now there are 6 classes of nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. So if I have 6 classes of nutrients, will you all be able to say me? 6 classes of nutrients. Where are you all girls? Majduleen. Yes. Can you say me the 6 classes of nutrition? What are types of nutritions or nutrients? Quiet. Judy, anyone, I want you all to answer me. What is present in the food that is giving us energy? What all things are there? 6 classes of nutrients, girls. 6 classes of nutrients. You can see on the page at least. What happened today? Are you
Protein.
What happened to you all today? No one?
Proteins.
Proteins, yes. Two you two of them you can see here. Proteins,
Carbohydrate.
carbohydrates,
And
fats,
water,
proteins, carbohydrates, fats,
water, and vitamins and minerals.
vitamin, minerals, and water. Girls, do I go to the next page or you want me to explain this again because no one is answering me today? Can I go to the next page or you want me to explain this again? 6 classes of nutrients. Those are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, water, vitamins, and minerals. Girls,
Yes.
I will just be back. Till then, please can you complete writing? I will tell you what it was. Is it okay now or no?
good.
Yeah.
Yeah, now it's okay.
Better? Okay. Now, girls, where do you find this when you usually see any maybe chips, chocolates, anything? In every wrapper you find this. Am I correct?
Miss.
Everywhere I find this. Where do you find
Miss, your voice is glitchy.
Again.
Wait.
Can't hear you.
Okay, wait a minute. Let me connect to some other internet.
Because we can't hear you.
Hello? Hello, my girls?
Yes.
Is it better now?
Yeah.
Okay. I was saying whenever you go to buy things, some of them, they have a habit to see how many calories are there. Is it too many calories? Is it making me, is it overweighted, or does it contain more fats? You usually, like example, that day Judy was saying me that she's lactose intolerant. She cannot take lot of proteins, right, Judy? You told me that. Even Noor, she
Yeah.
mentioned that she cannot take lot of proteins. So your mom is always careful by seeing the chart. You know, this table or this box is there in everything. Even if you buy water, you will see this. You can see it's there on the cake box, on the chips or chocolates. Everywhere you find this. What do you call as? It's page 128. Page 128, my dear Noor. Here. So you buy, okay, she's saying to see page 130. 1 second, let me see. No, there is nothing here. Anyways. Okay. It's okay if you don't write. It's just because I went outside, I wanted you to write. Okay. So reading food labels can help you choose healthy food. So from today, I know that your parents are not taking you to Hyper Panda or, Lulu or somewhere because they're scared. But at least when you are at home, try to start reading these nutrition facts. When you think,
Miss, I want
huh?
everywhere.
What? Yes,
I went.
Sometimes
yes.
I read the servings
Okay.
size, and sometimes I eat like from the serving size.
Okay. Anyways, these are very important. The calories. Calories are very important. A person's diet is a type and amount of food that a person eats. Now, normally, according to the US recommendation, we say that in one whole day, our body must not be more than 2,000 calories. Like I will say you an example. Maybe on the weekend or at the weekend, you went to had a burger from McDonald's, or maybe you had some other beef steak or burger. You know, one burger, it could be 1,800 kilocalories. 1,800. Imagine for the whole day, your body must take 2,000 and your one meal is 1,800. So don't you think so? Daily and daily, if you are, like weekly, you are putting on fats, and that's finally, you have to suffer with some diseases.
But I work out 3 times a week.
Work out, very good. That's great. Like when you eat something like that, you need to work out. You need to think that I had taken this. Now let me walk for so much time. But girl, see, even if I walk for 1 hour, maybe I will lose only 350 calories. Imagine 1,800, 1,800, and imagine 300, 1 hour of walk. Okay, I can switch my walking to maybe skipping, or I can switch it to some cardio exercise where I lose more calories. Yes, I can do that. Sometimes it's okay, but don't make it as a routine. Don't make it as a routine that will affect your body, okay? So now, what if I ask you, each one of you, tomorrow if I ask you, what is the daily value? What is the daily value which is recommended daily amount of nutrient? You will say it's 2,000 calories per day. It is 2000 calories per
2,000 calories
See
per
here,
day.
written there. Person daily values are based on 2000 calorie diet. Your daily values may be higher or lower depending on calorie needed. Now girls, this is not in the lesson, but I want you to understand. Imagine you have taken chips of Lay's or leave about the junk food. Okay, rice and wheat. You know, you have chips and you have rice. You have wheat, you have one bread and you have one brown bread and you have rice. Both of them have same calories. Maybe both of them are 200 calories. But which is healthy to take for an obese person or a person who's on good diet? He will take the brown bread because brown bread will go inside your body and will take time to convert into glucose. It will not cut down fast into glucose. Whereas when you compare to rice, because rice is carbohydrates, even wheat is carbohydrates, but some carbohydrates, they easily get converted to glucose and you feel hungry very quickly. They get digested very fast. Sugars, they get digested very fast. So that's why same kilocalories, but still you need to choose your food because you need to see which one takes more time to digest and which will stay longer in your stomach. Okay, that's why they say additional recommendation found at choose my plate. You have to choose your plate. And girls, maybe if I was at school, I would have told you to make a plate and we would have done a, what you call, very good activity of fruits, grains, vegetables, and protein, and we had a party in shop. We will have a party later. So this is plate, must have fruits, you must have vegetables, you must have protein, that is a maybe chicken or mutton, meat or fish. You must have grains and maybe dairy. Dairy means you can have yogurt or you know, a glass of milk or something this way. So now here they have chosen fruits, like example apple, vegetables, carrots, twigs, and grains, bread. Your protein is the turkey slice, dairy is the glass of milk. Did you understand this by putting here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so try to make a plate and let me know what you had today at dinner. Try to make a complete one. I want, of course, bread is very easily available and you will be having chicken or meat or something. Vegetable, add a piece of carrot or a cucumber, add one fruit to that and one dairy. Dairy can be yogurt, or okay?
Okay.
Okay. So this is about your plate and your daily values. When I say daily values, girls, how many calories you must have?
2,000.
2000. Very good. I think this is Majduleen.
Miss Julian, Miss. It's me.
Okay, I'm sorry. What are the health consequences of poor nutrition? Imagine, girls, now a person is on diet, but she's not taking the proper complete diet. She just wants to quit her meal. Breakfast, she will just have a piece of something, no eating, nothing. She can lead to some difficulties. Even if you are planning for a proper diet, yeah, to proper lose your weight, never go for quitting the meals. Or if you just take something which is nutritive to your body. Health problems can result from eating too much food, not enough food, or not enough specific nutrients. People who consume too many calories may be overweight or suffer from obesity. Being overweight means a person is heavy for his or her height. We compare the weight according to the height and has excess stored fat. Obesity happens when a person, see, there is a difference between overweight and obesity. Overweight person is just like, you know, his or her weight is more than expected. But when obesity, it weighs 50% above or recommendation. Like imagine his weight has to be 60 or 50 and he's crossing 100. That is obesity. Having an inactive lifestyle, a person cannot move. Like imagine now me, I have to take my classes from 9 to 2 continuously. I'm sitting at one place. It's not good for me. I need to go home and I need to work out. Because this, what is not making me move, can store my calories as fats inside my body. Okay? So next is obesity. Increases the risk of serious health conditions like high blood pressure. Please highlight this. Please
Wait.
highlight this. Obesity increases the risk of serious health. What do you get? You get high blood pressure. What is the meaning of cardio? Always I say you.
The heart.
Cardio, remember this heart. Remember this? Heart. It means something with heart diseases. You will have something like heart diseases that is not good for you again. So girls, obesity can lead to heart diseases. Obesity can lead to heart diseases, high blood pressure and diabetes or diabetes. Diabetes means high blood sugar. High blood sugar. Now, eating a balanced diet and exercising regularly can both prevent and treat. If a person is obese, if he's suffering from this obesity, never get disappointed. Only thing, I know it might take time, maybe 1 or 2 years, but if she and he decided that from today I will take a balanced diet with little bit of exercise, I am sure they can get back to their normal size if they're really, they have that stamina or they have the willpower strong. Okay? So, girls, I think you can finish writing this one. You can finish writing A, B, and question number 14 here.
I want to write.
Yeah, that's what we have 10 minutes. I will. Girls, for 13, you can write by your own. What are the foods you eat? You have to write here, looking on the picture. 14. Girls, this is by your own, something by your own. Just write question number 15. Girls, 13 and 14 is like by your own. Only question number 15 and that's enough. And I will end up with my class.